To solve the many challenges of maintaining and improving quality and delivery times, which must be implemented while dealing with chronic manpower shortages and passing on know-how. Sodick Smart Site. A semi-automatic system that starts small. By adding QR code management to existing equipment, this system can be started quickly and at a low initial cost. This is a one-stop system for electrode design, electrode MC machining, CMM, electrode measurement, and EDM. Electrode and workpiece information stored on the server in advance is managed by QR codes and called up by QR scan. At this time, the NC program is also transferred to the machine via QR scan. Set the QR-coded electrode in the machining center and start machining. After machining, set it on the measuring instrument and start measurement. In this case, QR code is used to recall the automatic measurement program. The NC program of the sinker EDM is called by the QR scan and machining is started. Full-scale unmanned automatic operation. In full auto, by adding robots to semi-auto, unmanned operation is possible day and night and even on weekends. Fully automatic system. Electrodes are automatically transferred to the machining center by robot transfer equipment. The machining center starts machining automatically. It is truly a fully automatic system. Automatic transfer between all processes, including automatic cleaning. We moved on to the measurement process by automatic transport. Automatically transfers electrodes and workpieces to the sinker EDM. The sinker EDM starts machining automatically. Sodick Smart Site. A semi-automatic system that starts small. A fully fledged, unmanned, fully automatic system. We propose a system that can be expanded in the future. If you have any questions about the Sodick Smart Site, please contact your sales representative.